أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal, and today we are going to start one another dua. And don't forget to subscribe our online channel if you like our videos. So make sure to share these videos with your friends for learning purpose. The dua before going to bed, and also teach this dua to your children before going to bed. So now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma Allahumma Bismika Bismika Amutu Amutu wa ahya wa ahya. I repeat it again. Allahumma Allahumma Bismika Bismika Amutu Amutu wa ahya wa ahya. Now I say all together, so listen carefully again. Allahumma Bismika Amutu wa ahya. If you didn't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe the channel and keep watching and stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.